And welcome back. Today's video is about TikTok and learning. TikTok is testing their learning feature recently. So, what kind of strategy is that? And is that suitable for their user base? Because most people go there for entertainment. So, that's what we are going to talk about today. And before we dive in, if you would like to receive more videos like this about technology trends, don't forget to subscribe. And back to our topic. TikTok just is testing their learn tab, learn feature on the platform. And as you know, there are two main types of videos on YouTube. First one is entertainment, which is majority of YouTube videos, and second is education. Also, maybe consists of 30-20% of YouTube video, and some of them definitely is hybrid. It's entertaining and educational at the same time. But educational videos on YouTube is definitely something. It's really something. A lot of people actually try to learn something. They will just go to YouTube, and that's what I'm actually doing. And or you want to learn how to do certain thing. It's like small thing, how to exchange your light bulbs, or how to fix your car by yourself. You go to YouTube, right? Or you want to learn machine learning, deep learning things, you go to YouTube. So YouTube is really a go-to place for video learning, and it's also a second largest search engine in the world, right? And TikTok, in the contrary, TikTok only has one type of videos, which is entertainment. All of the TikTok videos about entertainment. And now definitely TikTok is already very big. They want to expand their user base. So that's probably the reason they want to they are experimenting learning video things. And I would really say that they will not be a direct competitor to YouTube, because I just checked certain like learning videos on YouTube on TikTok. It's pretty short. It's really TikTok style. So I feel like their target users are young people, very very young people. Yeah, and they prefer to watch shorter videos. For example, 1 minute, 2 minutes, educational videos. You may maybe think that's partly unimaginable. How can you make like educational videos that's just 1 minute long? But there can be a little bit like the teaser. For example, there's just videos I just saw. This talking about self-driving car, and they use very simple text to say how the self-driving car talk to each other, how it works roughly, just a very high level concept. It's not meant to teach you how self-driving car work, the whole system. It just want to trigger your curiosity so that you will learn it online in other places by yourself. But it's really a good way to make young people want to learn something. I think that's maybe the quite good positioning for TikTok learning videos. But I would say this part definitely is decided by the creators, how creators want to create those videos. And I'm not really sure there's a length constraint. I believe there is. You probably couldn't make like over 2-3 minutes long videos, even for educational, unless you have certain like spatial license, I think. And majority users also will not really want to watch 10 minutes or 30-minute long videos on TikTok. They just not the way they use that. But it's a good way to make the young people want to learn more about certain subjects. So how I envision this is like your brand. Maybe you have Coursera, some online courses, or YouTube videos, online courses for online courses. Then you post something like very short form introduction videos on TikTok. Then to kind of a trigger to tease people that maybe people want to learn more then you put a link there, and they just click and go to your platform. So it's more like the preview of your courses. I think that's a good way to use that. And TikTok is still experimenting that, and it probably will be released soon. It's a big thing because it kind of expand, maybe not increase the number of users, but increase the users, the use cases for those users. They not only go there for entertainment, but also for educational purposes. There will be an interesting way, and will not really be a direct competitor to YouTube, because YouTube's educational videos usually very long, can be as long as 3 hours, and that's just not a proper length of videos on TikTok. So they probably be complementary, not directly competition. So that's my view on TikTok Learn. Yeah. And if you would like to receive more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. I plan to release more comments about video platforms. So yeah, that's all, and I will see you next time.